Let's go and take a look at that weather forecast. It's Storm Tracker 4 meteorologist Stephanie Waldrop. It is Storm Tracker 4 alert day here, Stephanie.
Yes, it is, and it's because of the storms that we're already seeing pop up here across southern Arizona. As we take a look at your Doppler radar, you're seeing strong storms mainly over the mountains, but they are starting to come off the mountains. We do have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings in place. It is in Santa Cruz County. This one up to the north is in place until 1 p.m. Heavy rainfall, 60-mile-per-hour winds, and small hail is possible with that storm. Another storm that is severe warned right now in Santa Cruz County. This one down to the south is in place until 12:30. This storm definitely has lost a lot of speed and also has started to move over the international border. Regardless, 60-mile-per-hour winds, heavy rainfall, and small hail, the biggest threat with these. Now we're also seeing a couple storms here that are going to start to move over I-19, Amado, Tubac. You could be seeing some heavy rain push through here over the next 15-20 minutes or so. As we take a look here up throughout the Tucson area, really lots of rain here over the mountains. We've been watching those clouds billow up. That's going to start to come off the mountains here, but we're actually already seeing a little storm pop up right along I-19 here. We're seeing it basically following South Mission Road, a quick heavy downpour near the Drexel Heights area. We're also seeing some past San Javier, road. So these storms moving to the southwest. We're seeing some storms out to the west of Tucson right now throughout the central portions of Pima County. Santa Rosa just starting to see a little bit of rain push through there, and over in Cochise County seeing a complex of storms starting to pop up right over these state routes 186, 181, and Highway 191. These also going to be moving to the southwest and up to the north. Oracle, you're kind of surrounded by storms. Kearney seeing some storms and some lightning popping up there as well. So radar already very active. We have a blowing dust advisory. This means that the storms that are popping up could create a wall of dust. It does not mean that we're seeing any dust as of yet, but we could see those, especially as we head into the later afternoon hours, creating visibilities of 1/4 of a mile. So very low visibilities. And the storms that we are seeing now could also create flash flooding conditions. We have a flash flood watch. This means conditions are favorable for flash flooding to occur. A flash flood warning means that flash flooding is occurring right now. So this flash flood watch is in place until 11 p.m. Could be seeing those isolated storms drop that heavy rain and create those flooding conditions. Remember, turn around. Don't drown. Our high resolution rain tracker doing a really good job picking up on the activity that we are currently seeing. As I put this into motion from 12 to 3 p.m., you can see that progression of those storms moving down to the southwest. Heavy rainfall and strong winds will be the main threat with these storms. Could potentially be seeing some small hail as well. The chance going to continue through 6 p.m., but kind of look where these are. Kind of all around the Tucson metro. Not seeing a ton in Tucson here at 6 p.m. By 9 p.m., still some rain activity before things dwindle off in the overnight hours. Here's a live look outside towards the Catalinas. Camera not really catching it, but that big cloud right there I think is dropping some rain. Tucson sitting at 98 degrees, Oro Valley 97, Sierra Vista 90. Our dew points, I know a lot of people like to look at these, especially during monsoon. This is just kind of the fuel for any storms that pop up. Right now, they're sitting in the low to mid 50s. So we take a look at our rain chances for the next 7 days. You'll notice tomorrow we've got another good chance for storms. Enjoy it, though, because after that, our storm chances do drop off. Tomorrow, we're going to be seeing that rain to the northwest, then moving down throughout southern Arizona through your lunch hour. And then by dinner time, it looks like most of it is going to be done. So a little bit different their progression as we head into your Thursday. Now, when all of this is said and done, how much rain could we be seeing? Well, about 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. Heaviest totals are going to be down along the international border right in the center of our area. So here's a look at your 10-day tracker. Storm chances today, tomorrow, flash flood watch in place and a dust advisory in place here today. Then for the holiday weekend, temperatures warm and isolated storm chances are as good as it's going to get. So enjoy the rain while it's around.